Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Let's dig right into it. All right, today's episode is, do you have a balanced agenda in your business? Okay, so, three questions here. Number one, how much time and money are you investing into the future and the future of your business? Okay. Number two, how central are you to your company's reinvention? And number three, what kind of ecosystem are you building, okay, for your business? Okay, let's dive into those real quick. How much time and money are you investing into the future? Are you investing R&D time, right? Are you putting money into, the future of your business by building new innovative things, ideas, so on and so forth? If you're not, you need to start doing that. Okay, number two, how central are you to your company's reinvention? Does it depend on you for your company to be able to reinvent at times? Okay, are you the only one that can do that? If you are, you might want to think about that and how you're including your team in that process. Okay, number three, what kind of ecosystem are you building in your company? Is your ecosystem dynamic? Does your ecosystem include strategic partnerships? Do you have the ability to allow your staff or your employees or partners to give input and feedback? Okay. I'm just like scratching the surface here, hoping that this will at least activate your brain a little bit and get you to think about these three topics. Okay. We could deep dive into this for 20 minutes, but I just want you to take each three of these questions, answer them yourself, and deep dive into them for yourself. All right. Okay. I hope this episode was helpful. As always, smash the like button, give us a comment, and you can always reach out to us anytime at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And as always, dream it, believe it, and go achieve it. We'll see you on tomorrow's episode.